Welcome to the opulent realm of Dolmabahçe Palace, a symbol of Istanbul's grandeur and a testament to the city's rich history of imperial legacy and architectural brilliance. Perched gracefully on the shores of the Bosphorus, Dolmabahçe Palace commands attention with its impressive facade, a harmonious blend of Ottoman and European architectural styles. As you approach the palace's gates, you'll find yourself stepping into a world that seamlessly weaves the past with the present. Dolmabahçe Palace was commissioned by Sultan Abdülmecid in the 19th century, a reflection of the Ottoman Empire's desire to modernize while maintaining its regal splendor. The palace's sheer scale and intricate detailing highlight the era's affinity for luxury and innovation. Step inside, and you'll be immersed in a world of opulence that leaves an indelible impression. Lavish chandeliers cast a soft glow on gilded furnishings and ornate decorations, transporting you to an era of extravagance. Dolmabahçe Palace's significance transcends its architectural magnificence. It holds historical weight as the place where Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the founder of modern Turkey, spent his last days. One of the most breathtaking features of Dolmabahçe Palace is the ceremonial hall, adorned with an awe-inspiring crystal chandelier. The sheer scale and intricate beauty of this chandelier remind us of the craftsmanship that once defined this era. As you leave the palace, its aura of elegance and history lingers in your memory. Dolmabahçe Palace is not just a monument, it's a portal through which you've connected with the stories of emperors, leaders, and artisans who contributed to the city's legacy. Dolmabahçe Palace encourages you to reflect on the passage of time, the transformative power of architecture, and the impact of individuals on the course of history. It stands as a reminder that even the grandest of structures are woven into the narrative of human progress. As you step back into the vibrant streets of Istanbul, let the spirit of Dolmabahçe Palace inspire you to appreciate the balance between tradition and modernity, to recognize the influence of history on the present, and to remember that your own journey is an integral part of the ongoing tapestry of time. What mark will you leave on the world's narrative as you continue your own story?